Hi everyone, welcome to the video. We are going to find detect loop in linked list. So here we are given n number of nodes and the value of those nodes and x, which is the position at which tail is connected. Now we have to find if there's a cycle in the linked list or not. So as you can see, x has a position at which tail is connected at 2, but there are 3 nodes. So it means there must be a cycle. Similarly, n is 4 and x is 0. Okay, so which means last node next of last node is null, then which means there is no cycle. So there are various methods to solve this question, but I will solve this question using two pointer, also known as fast or slow pointer. I will create two pointers, fast and slow, and slow will move ahead one step at a time and fast will move ahead two step at a time, as implies their name. Okay, now while fast and dot next. While we have current element, there's we do not stand at null, and also we have one element ahead to jump to. Cool. If that holds true, we will go ahead. We will iterate or you can say progress our slow pointer with one step, and we will move ahead our fast pointer with two steps. Cool. At this point of time, now that both the pointers have been moving, we can check if they are equal or not. If that implies and they become equal, which means we have reached a cycle. Sorry. We have reached a cycle. It should be true. And if that's not the case, and we have traversed entire nodes of linked list, and false. There's no cycle. Let me submit it for you. And yeah, it does the job in pretty less time. Very easy. Very easy question. Thank you. Have a nice day.